How to see who viewed my Instagram video. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your Instagram video. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Now at this page, go on to any video that you would like to see the insights of. At this page, you can see here is 16 views. That means that 16 people have viewed my video. If you would like to get a deeper insights of this post, tap on View Insights. Now there are 16 views and one person has saved my video. And that is how you know. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.